When it comes to the coronavirus, there is a lot of misinformation online. That's why the Verify team takes your questions to the experts to get the answers.
Hi, my name is Buddy.
Take this question we got from one of our viewers.
Does UV light kill coronavirus?
So let's verify. Are UV disinfection lamps a safe way to kill COVID-19? Our sources are the Columbia University Irving Medical Center and the World Health Organization. Columbia scientists say what's called broad-spectrum germicidal UV light can kill bacteria and viruses. In fact, it's often used to decontaminate airplanes and hospitals. But here's the thing. It's often done with robots and without human exposure because our experts say it's dangerous to come in contact with UVA and UVB lights. It can cause skin cancer and cataracts. That's why the World Health Organization says false. Exposing yourself to UV light lamps is not a safe or effective way to kill the coronavirus. Speaking of light, here's another question we're verifying. Does sunlight kill the coronavirus? There are a lot of tweets out there that say it will, so we went to find out. Our source for this one is UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund. They say no. Quote, "This is, of course, not true. Sunlight has not been proven to kill the coronavirus, and neither the World Health Organization nor the Centers for Disease Control list sunlight as a method for preventing the coronavirus." Do you have something that you want verified? Send us your questions at verify@wsa9.com.